I'm John Ryder, Senior Sales Rep with DuraTech Industries, here today to outline the advantages of combining screen printing with digital printing on one printed part. Both screen printing and digital printing offer some unique advantages to our customers. In certain cases, there is tremendous advantage in combining the two processes on a printed project. Let's dive into screen and digital printing and where it can be to your advantage to combine them on a printed part. Now first, let's talk about the advantages of screen and digital printing individually. Screen printing. Now, DuraTech has excellent color match capabilities, giving our customers an almost unlimited variety of colors to choose from or to request. With screen printing, DuraTech can print a heavy laydown of ink, which allows for opaque colors, higher UV resistance, and allows us to use many unique ink systems like silver flake, chrome inks, and conductive silver ink for our printed electronic parts. For windows within a printed part, we can add a screen printed diffuser or a tint depending on your needs. Selective textures can also be added, along with hard-coded textures. Now for digital printing, there's some different parameters. Digital printing is an inkjet process. It uses four-color process printing with UV curing of the inks. Four-color process printing reduces the number of setups and lowers costs significantly on lower volume runs. In addition to the standard four-color process colors of cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, we have added the colors of white, orange, green, and violet to our digital presses. This greatly adds to the number of colors we can accurately match for our customers on our digital equipment. Digital prints direct from the computer to the material, eliminating the need for screens like we need in the screen printing process. This lowers your cost and speeds up lead times on your project. With digital inkjet printing, we can print very fine gradients, much finer than with traditional screen printing. In fact, we can print up to 1080 by 1080 DPI on our newest digital printing press. Now let's talk about the advantages of printing with both technologies, digital and screen printing, together. First customer we want to outline is a project we've done for Life Fitness in Ramsey, Minnesota. This program is combination printed using digital and screen for some very specific reasons. If you look closely at the figures, the gradients on these are extremely fine. Too fine for traditional screen printing. With digital, we are able to produce the quality of gradient that Life Fitness demands for their graphics. In addition, both the black and the white colors for this particular program were very specific for Life Fitness. Believe it or not, there are many shades and gloss levels of black and white, and only with screen printing could we deliver the color match that satisfied our customer's need for these parts. This program has many different languages that require small runs of 25 or 50 pieces with hundreds of SKUs. This is perfect for digital printing because digital lowers the number of setups, reducing cost. Adding just one or two screen printed colors still kept the total number of setups low, yet delivered the printed part quality that our customer demanded. Footnote on this program, we also added an NFC tag to the adhesive side of the part, under the QR code. DuraTech programs, locks, and adds the NFC tag before shipping these to Life Fitness. Our next customer is Mercury Marine in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. Again, we produced this program using digital and screen printing. Let's see what the advantages are using digital and screen that we offered to Mercury Marine. First, Mercury Marine's parts and service department guarantees to their customers that they will stock all parts for engines up to 10 years after they obsolete them from their production. That includes decals. As time rolls on, the requirements go way down. Most Mercury engine decals have many colors, so the cost to screen print small quantities to meet their customers' need is huge. As we discussed, one of the key advantages of digital printing is lower setups, which results in much lower costs. For Mercury, they typically have a high number of colors, exacerbating the problem. Digital printing is the perfect solution for them. By printing these decals digitally, we can give them a reasonable cost so that the customers can get a reasonable cost as their overall volumes go down, and in this case, go way down. Except for one thing. Mercury has a 5-year exterior durability specification that digital inks typically cannot meet. So DuraTech worked with Mercury, and we developed their part using a robust exterior screen-printed clear coat. This clear coat, along with our extended life digital printing inks, passed the 5-year exterior durability test for Mercury, and now are fully approved for exterior use. We literally invented a combination digital and screen printing technique that lowers Mercury's cost dramatically, yet gives them the quality and exterior durability they demand for their graphic. So, what's the bottom line of using DuraTech's digital and screen printing processes in combination? Hey, I'm glad you asked. Here it is. DuraTech can work with you, our customers, to design or even invent a printing technique using digital and screen printing in combination that gives you dramatically lower costs. It gives you higher quality printing, including finer gradients and more color choices, and the ability to combine the advantages of both digital and screen printing in one graphic. Finally, combination digital and screen printing processes, our customers have a better balance of price and design flexibility with their decals and overlays. So don't be shy. Please contact DuraTech's sales team today to discuss how this may work for your projects. Just kidding, you can contact any of us. Call 608-781-2570 or email your questions at info@duratech.com. Thanks for your time, really appreciate it.